Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Maggie Rogers here, and this time we have a song called In the Living Room. So, Maggie's been here before on Gordon Guitar with a song called Horses, and now we have In the Living Room. Horses in the Living Room could be something strange, but anyway, let's go into this In the Living Room song, and we're gonna play this one without any capo. All right, so no need for that, but we have 5 chords to handle here, and we're gonna go through them: C, G, D, E minor, and A minor. So let's start with the chords. So C first, that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, which is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. D there, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so we have this strumming pattern that we need to divide into 2 different parts. And the challenge here is the speed of it. We have to work really with the downs and ups there. So we'll come to that, but first let me demonstrate one full strumming round. We're gonna use the C for that. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so the first part will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Then you make a short pause there, like a millisecond, and then you continue with up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So imagine up, down for 3 times, then an extra up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Like this. Okay, a couple of rounds. Then gradually speed your strumming up there, and you're gonna end at the standard tempo somewhere around this. All right, so we are ready now to handle the main part here, and yeah, that will be to play C 1 full strumming round, then G 1 full, and then D 1 full strumming round, and then you have the split there in the end. You're gonna play E minor, part 1, the down, 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 up, and then quickly change to D and play part 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is the main pattern. Makes up for about 90% of the song. All right, so let's go for a couple of rounds. I'm gonna take you through this first 1 round slowly and then speed up to somewhat of a standard tempo. Let's go. C, G, D, E minor, D. And a couple of rounds, standard goes like this. So there you have the main pattern, and besides from that we have a bridge part. All right, so this is the part where you're gonna use the A minor chord. It starts at 2 minutes and 46 seconds into the song. All right, so you're gonna start with A minor. That you're gonna play 1 full string around that, then 1 full of C, then 1 full of G, and 1 full of D. That's the first half of this bridge part. And then the second half is similar, and you're gonna play A minor, 1 full, C, 1 full, and then D, 2 full rounds. Okay, so that is the end of the bridge playing, and I will explain the rest soon. But let's take that first half, A minor, C, G, and D, and the second half, A minor, C, and D2, like this. Right? And then comes a big pause. This is actually the end of the bridge part, but just for you to come in right into the main playing, which we're gonna play now. We're gonna come in back to the main playing, but there's a big pause there, and that pause is to imagine you played C1 and G1, the first 2 chords of the main pattern there. Imagine you play them now, you have a pause during these 2 chords. So when you're gonna play is to start to play on the D, D1, and then continue with E minor part 1 and D part 2, and just continue from there on. So this pause after bridge part, it lasts for about 2 full strumming rounds. Imagine you take away the C1 and G1 for the main part, and then just come in and play from D1 and so on. And then you're gonna play the main part till the very end of the song. And that is pretty much how you handle Maggie Rogers in the living room. So, hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if it was helpful, please let me know, leave me a comment or so, subscribe to this channel and make my day. So thank you for the support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.